Have you ever thought of something like having an incredible building in just one day? Yes, you heard right. There are some spectacular buildings which are built in just a few hours or days. Do you want to know more about this construction? Keep watching this video. Welcome to Construction Technique. In today's video, we are going to talk about how incredible building constructions can be in just one day. But before we make it to the video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Broad Group shows the 10-story building being erected in China by a large team of workers and 3 cranes in 28 hours and 45 minutes. According to the company, this is the world's shortest construction period for a building of this scale. Tower built from stainless steel modules. The apartment block was assembled from standard container-sized modular units that were made in a factory by Broad Group and have a stainless steel structure. Each module is 12.19 meters long, 2.44 meters wide, and 3 meters high. The container-shaped modules stacked with one wall of each unit folding down to become a floor plate and create a column-free space that is 12 meters by 4.8 meters. Windows and balconies fold out from the unit to enclose the spaces. 10 stories can be erected in one day. The modules are transported to the site with all the electric and internal finishes complete, meaning that installation can happen rapidly. Extremely simple on-site installation. Just tighten bolts and connect the water and electricity as fast as 10 stories can be erected in one day, said the company. Each of the modular units was made with walls and floors built from a stainless steel slab that is formed of 2 stainless steel plates, separated by hundreds of stainless steel tubes. According to the company, these B-core slabs are 10 times lighter and 100 times stronger than conventional floor plates. Company claims system could be used for 200-story skyscrapers. According to the company, the construction method could also be used to build public buildings or even skyscrapers. It is perfectly suitable for luxury residences, 200-story skyscrapers, and also ideal for public and residential buildings, said Broad Group. Broad Group is a Chinese manufacturer of air conditioning units that has expanded into modular construction. In 2012, Broad Group unveiled plans to build a 220-story skyscraper, which would be the tallest building in the world from modular components in 7 months. However, the construction of the building stalled shortly after it began amid safety fears and a lack of government approval. It was later reported that the building's foundations had been repurposed as a fish farm. Nowadays, construction rarely extends beyond a few years on even the biggest and most imposing structures, and even then, it's more a matter of financial constraint than architectural know-how. Construction has taken giant leaps forward to the point where the ability to quickly create these impressive structures almost feels like magic. With Mini Sky City, Chinese engineers performed something of a miraculous task when they completed construction on the 57-story building in a mere 19 days. Located in the town of Changsha in the central region of China, it was built at a staggering rate of 3 floors per day. Hegemans 1 is a prefabricated home constructed with solid wood frames and solar panels, making it not only efficient in terms of costs and time, but also environmentally friendly. The house includes a kitchen, 1 bathroom, 1 bedroom, a living room, and an outside patio. On December 3rd to 4th, 2012, Indian architects and engineers from CMD of Synergy Thrislington managed to build a 10-story high building in just 48 hours, setting a new world record in the process. Instacon, located in the city of Mohali, was a massive undertaking with a total area of nearly 270,000 square feet. It was built by hundreds of workers, in addition to 200 technicians, and 24 engineers acted as supervisors during the construction and assembly of the prefabricated materials required to complete the building. Archie Blocks has a total surface of 570 square feet, and it is formed out of a living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, kitchen, dining area, laundry room, and a sunroom. One of the most appealing aspects of the Archie Blocks house is the minimal energy cost, which is substantially reduced thanks to the materials used and the small, efficient layout. Priced at around $205,000, the Archie Blocks could be completely built in as little as 12 weeks, with a maximum time frame of 20 weeks for those who want full customization. Broad Sustainable Building checks in again and again pulled off an impressive architectural achievement with the construction of a 30-story hotel in Changsha. The construction happened so rapidly that it seemed likely that BSB may have skimped on safety measured and industrial standards, but amazingly, every bit of this towering hotel is completely up to code. The 30-story hotel was finished in just 15 days thanks primarily to it consisting almost entirely of prefabricated materials. Broad Sustainable Building attributes the 2-story per day rate to the fact that they were able to build the pieces in a factory and later assemble them at the construction site. All told, 93% of the building materials for the building were pre-made. In addition to increasing the speed of the build, this process eliminated the risks of accidents, pollution, and delays. Broad Sustainable Building also prides itself on being environmentally friendly, so along with being quick, efficient, and safe, this method of construction could be the future of architecture. Homeshell is a 3-story house created by Richard Rogers of Rogers, Strick, Harbor and Partners. The design and overall concept are simple and affordable, with both construction and living costs coming in lower than most other mass housing options currently available in the industry. These structures can be constructed in less than a day. But the most amazing and impactful part of the Homeshell project is that these homes could minimize energy costs to such a degree that, according to the firm, it could alleviate poverty with up to a 90% reduction in utility bills. Broad Sustainable Building specializes in quick and efficient construction, and one of its finest examples is the Ark Hotel, located in Changsha, China. The Ark Hotel stands 15 stories high and was built in its entirety in just 48 hours. One of the things that sets the Ark Hotel apart from so many other constructions is the method that Broad Sustainable has been perfecting, creating interlocking pre-made pieces off-site before more or less snapping them together like a puzzle. That's what makes the quick build time possible. It's not so much a construction, it's an assembly. The 3D technology has impacted almost every industry around the globe, and construction is no different. Thanks to benefits that include cheaper parts, less labor, and more rapid production times, 3D printing was a natural fit in the world of construction. With so many companies turning to prefabricated materials, 3D printing has become an essential part of the business. One of the construction companies on the cutting edge of 3D printing technology is Winson, a Chinese company that uses a giant 3D printer to build 10 small houses in less than 24 hours using mostly recycled materials. These houses cost less than $5,000 to build and can be shipped anywhere in the world. Developments like 3D printing in the construction sector could provide a solution to homelessness and poor living conditions in emerging third-world countries, while simultaneously providing an eco-friendly option to older construction methods. In December of 2002, the Shelby County, Alabama chapter of Habitat for Humanity shattered the world record for the fastest home construction when volunteers helped construct a 3-bedroom home in Montevallo in an astonishing time of 3 hours, 26 minutes, and 34 seconds. Months of planning went into the project, with numerous local construction groups banding together to complete the build. The finished product was not simply a shell of a house either, as the volunteers were able to install fully operational plumbing and electricity within their time frame of less than 3.5 hours. In addition to mapping out the plans for construction, members of Habitat for Humanity actually got together to stage what amounted to rehearsals to coordinate their movements well in advance of actually building the home. The record had previously been set by Habitat for Humanity in Auckland, New Zealand, with a 4-bedroom home constructed in just under 3 hours and 45 minutes. Amazing, right? That was a long, detailed video about how incredibly building construction can be done in just one day. Alright everyone, this brings us to the end of our video. Thanks for watching. More interesting videos are coming, and if you don't want to miss any of our video, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you will always be updated.